When we think of animal intelligence, we picture dolphins or chimpanzees, but parrots are quietly rewriting the story. Imagine a bird that not only mimics human speech, but understands what it says and can count objects in front of it. Certain parrots, especially African greys, have shown they can count, identify numerals, and even perform simple addition. For years, scientists thought true numerical understanding was uniquely human, but research with parrots is changing that. The avian brain, though different from ours, can grasp abstract concepts like quantity and number. These discoveries force us to see parrots not just as beautiful pets, but as thinking, calculating beings. In this video, we'll explore what it means for an animal to count, meet some remarkable parrots, and see how their skills compare to other animal geniuses. We'll also look at the clever experiments that reveal their abilities and why counting matters for survival in the wild. Parrots are opening a window into the evolution of intelligence and challenging everything we thought we knew about animal minds. Counting isn't just reciting numbers, it's a complex skill that goes far beyond recognizing a few objects. Many animals can instantly recognize small quantities, a skill called subitizing, but true counting requires understanding that the last number in a sequence represents the total. It also means grasping that numbers have order and represent abstract concepts, not just memorized words. For an animal to truly count, it must apply number knowledge to new situations, not just repeat a learned trick. Scientists test this by asking animals to identify quantities in unfamiliar sets or with new objects. If a parrot can select 4 items from a group it's never seen before, it's demonstrating real numerical understanding. This ability involves abstraction and symbolic thought, manipulating mental concepts of quantity. When parrots show this, they join a very exclusive club of non-human thinkers. The evidence is clear. Some parrots genuinely understand numbers, not just the sounds. Among parrots, African greys are the undisputed math stars. They don't just mimic words, they understand concepts like color, shape, and number, rivaling the cognitive skills of young children. The most famous Alex learned over 100 words and could count up to 6, sometimes more. He could answer questions like, "How many green blocks?" and get it right, showing he wasn't just repeating, but truly processing. Other African greys, like Griffin and Athena, have also shown they can label quantities, even grasping the concept of zero. When asked for a number that wasn't present, they could answer none, a leap in abstract thinking. Keys from New Zealand and budgerigars have shown some numerical skills too, but African greys are the gold standard. Their consistent performance makes them ideal for studying how a non-mammalian brain handles numbers. These birds aren't just mimics, they're genuine thinkers. Their abilities are helping us unlock the secrets of animal intelligence. Proving a parrot can count means ruling out tricks and cues. So scientists use rigorous creative experiments. The model rival technique is key. The parrot watches 2 humans interact, with one acting as a rival for attention and rewards. The parrot learns by observing, then joins in, motivated to get the right answer. Testing is double-blind. Neither the person presenting objects nor the one recording answers knows the correct response. Parrots are asked questions like, "How many green corks?" with random assortments of objects. Hundreds of trials with different items ensure the bird isn't just memorizing patterns. If a parrot can identify 4 in new contexts, it's showing true understanding. Advanced tests link spoken words, written numerals, and physical quantities. For example, Alex could see the numeral 4, name its color, and then select 4 objects. This ability to connect symbols, words, and quantities is a hallmark of abstract thought. These experiments prove parrots aren't just performing, they're reasoning. Their math skills are real, not just a party trick. How do parrots' brains handle math without a mammalian neocortex? Birds have evolved dense clusters of neurons in regions like the nidopallium cauda lateral, NCL, which acts much like our prefrontal cortex. The NCL is active during complex tasks, including counting and decision-making. When a parrot counts, its brain filters visual information, categorizes objects, and links the result to a vocal response. Advanced imaging shows these neural circuits are highly efficient, rivaling primate brains in processing power. This suggests that the ability to understand numbers isn't tied to one brain structure, but to flexible neural computation. Parrots prove that intelligence can evolve along many different paths. Parrots' math skills aren't just for show, they're survival tools. In the wild, being able to assess quantity helps parrots find the best food sources, avoid predators, and thrive in social groups. A parrot that can spot which tree has more fruit or which flock is larger gains a real advantage. Counting helps them compete for resources, stay safe in numbers, and care for their young. Parents keep track of eggs and chicks, ensuring none are lost or neglected. These skills are woven into daily life, from foraging to parenting. Numerical sense is a crucial adaptation, not a laboratory curiosity. Parrots' ability to count is a product of evolution, shaped by the demands of their environment. Math, it turns out, is a tool nature uses everywhere. How do parrots compare to other animal geniuses? Chimpanzees can match numerals to quantities and order them, but usually use touchscreens or tokens. Parrots like Alex use spoken words, labeling numbers out loud, a rare feat in the animal kingdom. This vocal, symbolic ability links number and language, much like how human children learn math. Dolphins, dogs, and even honeybees show some numerical sense, but parrots combine abstraction with vocal labeling. They don't just point, they say the answer. This places them in a unique league, bridging the gap between animal and human cognition. Parrots' skills offer a rare parallel to our own development of math and language. They're not just smart, they're exceptional. Parrots' math skills challenge our ideas about intelligence and blur the line between humans and animals. Their brains, built on a different plan, can solve problems we once thought were uniquely human. Intelligence isn't a ladder with humans on top. It's a tree with many branches. Parrots show that complex cognition can evolve in many forms, shaped by each species' needs. Their abilities remind us to respect and protect the diversity of minds on our planet. Losing species like the African grey would mean losing a unique kind of consciousness. Studying parrots is a journey of self-discovery, revealing the shared roots of thought across life. These birds aren't just counting, they're making us rethink what it means to be intelligent.